No ma'am, sorry po if may background noises kasi nasa hospital po ako ngayon. Nandito lang po ako sa car exit magti-take ng video. Here's my point for our topic. I used the same password were just annoying. Like those captchas asking if I see a stop sign or the endless update mail pop-ups. When all I want to do is when, uh, when all I wanted to do is 1 month of the online. But now I know it's not just about pop-ups or passwords. It's about protection. It's about not giving away parts of myself just because I click accept. It started with little things. I searched about face toner and suddenly every ad was about the skincare or the face toner that I searched. Then I chatted my friend about needing hair color and TikTok just showed me some hair colors. Indeed weird, right? I laughed it off, said, these phones are probably listening or spying us. But that laugh felt fake, because deep inside I knew this wasn't a joke. Excuse me. We live in a world where digital lives are louder than the real one. We do post, we scroll, we share, we repost, we tag, we upload photos, record dances, and everything without knowing who are those watching. Not just friends or followers, but also companies and even people who don't wish us well. We should think about it. We give our name, our birthday, our email, our favorite color, our face, and our voice to this application that promises fun, to that games that want access, to the websites that say sign up for free. We scroll to the bottom and hit I agree. And just like that, we hand over part of who we are. Someone hacked my friend's account 3 years ago, posted things and asking for money, messaged people pretending to be her, and it took excuse me 1 week password that can be guessed what. She cried, said it felt like someone broke into their house because in a way they did. Our accounts are homes now. Our profiles are windows. Our phones are diaries with no locks. And then there's school. Zoom classes, Google Documents, typing essays into the system that tracks when we're logged in. Even homeworks comes with a terms and condition now. Do we even own our words anymore? It's like we're walking through the hallway of cameras. Only the cameras are in our pockets and we bought them in ourselves. But I'm not here to scare you. I'm trying to say throw your phone away or delete everything. I'm just saying be smart because the world won't protect your privacy if you don't. The real password turn on two-step. Don't overshare just for likes. Privacy matters. Security matters. Not just for the hackers or famous people, but for the students, for me, and for you. Because behind the screen, we're all valuable, but we're also powerful when we will choose to share. So next time that the box pop-ups asking you to allow access to share contacts, to click accept all. Sorry, edit ko na lang po ma'am kasi na-reach na po yung limit ng phone ko for recording. So, next time that box pop up, asking you to allow access to share your contacts, click accept all, tap read it, think twice, because in a world where they know more than they should, protecting your privacy is protecting yourselves. Thank you.